boss, is the problem, boss? One. This number one, boss. And this number two, boss. This battery is not working. This battery is weak. And then number three problem. This one, boss. I put plug one because if you connect this hose without accelerator. Number three. And then number four, the feed pump need to change because I make only temporary. I will break this inlet valve. I remove the inlet valve because it's stuck up. Now the engine now is running, boss. It's okay now.